Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Coinbase wallet address in Coinbase in 2026. Do you need your Coinbase address, wallet address, but not sure where to look? Let me show you exactly where to find it just by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. You can join this platform by going to the website coinbase.com or downloading the app on your mobile device, either via the Play Store or App Store, since it's available on both Android and iOS devices. Now, once you access the website or you access the application, you're gonna click on sign in if you already have a Coinbase account, and if you don't, you're gonna click on sign up and proceed to making a new account. Once you finish setting up your new account, you're going to make sure to log in to the Coinbase app or website. And once you're in your account's dashboard, you're going to tap on the home page and tap Send and Receive. Once you click on Send and Receive, you're going to select the assets you want to receive, then select the Receive Crypto. You're going to select the Receive option by selecting the Receive tab. Then you're going to choose the cryptocurrency you want. For example, let's see this educational video step by step. As you can see here, you're going to choose the Receive Crypto option. Then you're going to have this menu right here where you're going to select the asset to receive. You can choose XRP, you can XYO, or Bitcoin, Hedera, etc. You can swipe down to look for the asset you want to receive. You're going to select the crypto you want to add the address for. Then remember, each cryptocurrency has its own unique address. After that, you're going to copy the address. Now your address will appear along with your QR, as you can see, you're going to see here. This is the QR. And the address, you can copy it by clicking on this icon right here. Now you're going to tap copy to copy it to your clipboard, or you can scan the QR code. And your address may change for privacy reasons, but older addresses linked to your account usually still work. And that's how you find your Coinbase address wallet quickly and safely. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.